Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 10th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, taking a look at the market. Futures are trading higher by about $4.50. It's not really a big move. Futures were much higher around 3 o'clock in the morning, trading as high as 20.55 per contract. Right now, they're trading at 20.46.5 per contract. So you can see the markets have softened up a little bit. But either way you slice it or dice it, we still have some market moving news. 8:30 in the morning, we did have the weekly jobless claims report. And again, that came in a little bit softer than expected. But either way you slice it or dice it, we have some stocks in the news, and that's where we want to put our focus today, each and every day. So first one we're going to start off with is FSLR, which is First Solar. This is a leading solar company right now. You're going to see the stock is trading at $53.75. It looks like they gave guidance last night that was well below consensus. So again, they had weaker guidance and the stock is getting hit a little bit. Closed yesterday at $58.85. Today is trading at $53.89 at the moment. So we're going to watch this one today. I'm going to have some levels here ready for possible play here. But right now, right off the bat, what I'm looking at is a potential level right around the $51 area. We'll see how the market reacts there. Then I do have levels lower if need be. So again, I'm going to see First Solar and see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Now, in sympathy to First Solar, you'll get other stocks reacting. But Solar City is probably one of the more notable names. And recently, this stock has really surged higher. Right now, it's sitting at $35, but this could be in play today as well. So keep that on the radar a little bit later. Let's take a look at Men's Warehouse. This is absolutely getting annihilated today. Stock closed at $18.57. It is now trading at $14.38. So this company had merged with Joseph A. Banks. And I got to say, it's just turned out to be a disaster ever since that merger took place. If you take a look at this daily chart, and I think this is, well, better yet, let's just take a look at a weekly chart. Look at the fall. This stock was a $65 stock in June, and it's now trading at $18. So that's telling you there's problems in the world if this isn't. Right now, looking at the stock trading at $14.40, it's hard to pick a level here. The only level that might interest me would be a Pierce of $10, and I got to see how it looks when it gets there. So there's really not much to do with Men's Warehouse here. Maybe I'd get interested on a Pierce of $10, but I'd really have to look at the stock and see what it looks like when and if it got down there. So again, be very careful. But this is just another leading retailer that is just absolutely taken to the woodshed here, and that is an ugly chart. Next one I want to talk about is Ciena Corp. If you've traded in the 90s, I'm sure you traded Ciena back then. This stock right now is taking a little bit of a hit as well, closed at $24.11. I believe they reported earnings. They missed on revenues. Stock right now is trading at $21.43, so that's a big haircut there. I'm going to look at a level around $20.65, $20 and maybe 70 cents. There could be a potential level there. So we'll see how it plays out. Again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've been knocking the cover off the ball this week, having a great week, a sensational week, and a sensational 2015. So if you want to come trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see what it's all about there. But yesterday, more trades, especially in the morning. Day before that, we had 6 trades, all winners. So again, if you want to come trade this alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial. We'll be looking at Ciena a little bit later today if it does get down there. Let's take a look at Yum Brands. Yum Brands, I believe, is going to return $6.2 billion to shareholders before they have their Asian spinoff. So again, Yum Brands right now trading at $73.50. I'm not really seeing any real strength out here. The stock did close at $73.80. So not really that big a deal. But again, that news should be somewhat positive. We'll see how the market reacts once the opening bell. We're not getting really any pre-market activity right now. So we'll look at this one a little bit later. ConocoPhillips is in the news. Looks like they're going to cut capital spending. Right now the stock is trading at 48 and a quarter, closed at 48.47. We're going to watch this one. We trade Conoco, we trade Exxon and Chevron quite often in the intraday stock chat room, so this will be on our radar today. Now, if Conoco is going to cut cap spending, just about every integrated or every oil company out there is also going to do the same thing. Most of it has been baked into the cake already, but a lot of announcements have not yet been made, so we'll watch that closely. Walmart, I believe, is in the news today as well. They're going to introduce their own version, I believe, of some kind of mobile payment app. So again, this is going to be the only mobile payment system that Walmart accepts. And again, Walmart coming out with a mobile payment app. I'm not sure if I can make too much out of it, but either way, you slice it, dice it, cut it, chop it. The stock right now is trading at 59 and a quarter, closed at 59.13. So no real movement there as of yet, but the Walmart chart still is holding up a little bit, so we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings today. Gold futures are trading down $3.30 to $1,073.20 an ounce. Looks like oil futures are trading down 35 cents to $36.83 an ounce. So all in all, we'll see how this plays out today. But we do have oil, we do have gold down, and that usually tells us that we have the dollar higher. Dollar is a little bit higher today. You can see here, dollar sold off sharply yesterday. Today, dollar is catching a bid. We'll see how that plays out. Dollar might still have more downside in the coming days. Not a whole lot more, but a little bit more. So we'll see how that plays out. But either way you slice it or dice it, we'll see what this market gives us today. It should be an interesting day. Yesterday we had some good volatility out here and we had some good trading action. Hopefully, and I believe we will get more of the same today. So again, if you want, come over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. You can trade right alongside of us. And again, we're having a sensational 2015, sensational trading week. We're going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.